Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to link your Google domain to Gumroad. Have you ever felt the frustration of trying to make your online presence as seamless and professional as possible? Linking your Google domain to your Gumroad account can be a game changer, allowing your audience to easily access your products while enhancing your brand's credibility. This process is not only quick, taking around 5 minutes, but it's also straightforward enough for beginners. Whether you're diving into domains for the very first time or simply looking to refresh your knowledge, we're here to guide you through each step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything smoothly linked, making your online business endeavors more efficient and professional. Let's dive right in and get started by opening your preferred web browser. Type in gumroad.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the Gumroad homepage. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot a login button. Go ahead and click on that to be directed to the login page. If you aren't already logged in, this is where you'll need to do so. Click on the button that says Login with Google. This step is crucial because it ensures that you select the correct Google account associated with your domain. If you manage multiple Google accounts, take a moment to choose the right one. This will ensure that your Gumroad account syncs properly with the domain you want to use. Once you've logged in successfully, our next destination is the Settings section. You'll find this in the top right menu of your Gumroad dashboard. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page displaying various options to customize your Gumroad experience. For our purpose, we need to focus on the advanced settings. You'll find these towards the bottom of the settings page. Click on Advanced to move forward. In the advanced settings, there's a section specifically for a custom domain. This is the area where you can enter the exact Google domain you want to link. Carefully paste or type your domain name into this field. Accuracy is key here. Even a small typo could prevent the domain from linking correctly, so take your time to double-check everything. After entering your domain, scrutinize it once more to make sure everything looks perfect. This is an important step to avoid any potential disruptions, ensuring that visitors can reach your Gumroad page without any hitches. Once you're certain that everything is correct, save your settings. Now, this process might take a few moments to propagate across the internet. If you don't see the changes immediately, don't worry. Give it some time, and all should be well. It's also a handy tip to clear your browser's cache, or try accessing your site from an incognito window. This helps you verify that everything is functioning as it should be. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully linked your Google domain to your Gumroad account. Not only does having a custom domain make it easier for users to find you, but it also adds a significant layer of professionalism to your brand, enhancing your online presence. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to link your Google domain to Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.